bitches are getting blown up, man. Shit. You gotta get the close-up, Nelson. You might die, but you gotta do it for the film. How old did you say this chicken sandwich was?
At least 3 days.
Oh.
Man, where the fuck are we going anyways?
We're going to Mike's house, dude.
Where the hell is Mike's house?
Dude, Mike's house is in the abyss of nothing. There's something you should know about Mike's house. Mike's house is not your ordinary house.
Look at the plan.
His house
Look at the plan.
Mike's house is so fucking ghetto, and he lives alone. He's got 2 dogs, and he just does not give a fuck. How much is that, Mike?
This is $2,200.
Let's put it like that. He does not.
Man's never settled down? Or
Nope.
did he just blow his wife up?
No, he just does not give a fuck. It's in fucking Trimble County, which is past.
okay,
Which
never
is
mind.
Grumpy Mike. You don't know Grumpy Mike?
No.
The most badass old man I know.
Why he did that?
Fucking dog.
I don't know why he did that.
Fucking, because he's a fucking moron. Fucking dick-headed dog motherfucker. Hey, you motherfucker, get over here right now, you stupid fuck, I see you. I'm gonna throw another fucking can. You fuck.
Hey, Mike, no, Mike, no.
What the fuck do you touch my ass for?
What's up, everybody? You already know what. Okay, that's not part of the plan. Here's part of the plan. Me, Nathan, Roman, Daniel, and Dylan are at Mike's house.
I could take the nicest piss right off his roof.
And he would so let you. I gotta piss really fucking
Is there
bad.
cameras at now?
Should we wait for Daniel and them?
Should we make it? It's 3, boys.
We're back, and we're still waiting on Daniel, Roman, and Dylan. In this town, me and my friend Ethot, we have done some very, very devious shit. Very, very devious shit. Okay, I'm just gonna lay it at that. There they are, there they are.
And he's
Wrong way, dumb fuck.
Yeah, I don't think he's coming back.
All right, well, let's go.
Damn good.
What are you doing here? What's up? What's up?
I'm glad that the first thing you see when you walk up is 2 sex dolls.
Yeah, that's.
I'm glad he is about telling
Damn, Mike. You gotta put it in that? That's how big it is?
Yeah. Then I got another little bomb here. This is the pickle bomb.
Nice. God.
That's about 5 pounds.
Oh, I got the target, Mike. Yeah.
Calm down.
So how much is this?
About 50 pounds.
50 pounds? Holy shit.
We're gonna make a diss track on your ass.
I'm a single. Make a what?
Make a diss track on your ass.
On my house?
On your house.
Oh, my house? Oh.
How messy it is.
Yeah, it's pretty messy. Dude.
No, we don't care.
Speaking of which, I got like 10 gallons of gas too if you want to blow some gas.
Oh, hell yeah.
It's a spicy McChicken. It's not
Oh,
even a
shit.
normal McChicken.
Yeah, here, have it all.
Dude, I want to.
McDonald's is pumped full of preservatives, so
How,
don't
how
even
old,
matter.
Nathan, did you say this chicken's
Like,
gonna
at least 3 days. And honestly, that's a rough estimate.
That's what it takes. Man, you know where my AR is, right?
Yeah.
Is it not on the wall?
Artillery.
Let's go.
The pistol and the ammo boxes on the couch.
I don't know if you want to come in here.
What? No, look at the plant. His house look at the plant. Shut up! Damn! We get it! Write a book about it! Fuck! Alright.
Man, this is like his backyard shooting range.
Dude, he's been shooting this shit with like fucking Cheetos on his hands. These bitches are getting blown up, man. Jeez. Let's make it blow. Oh man, this shit is going to be so wild. I think she's got a hole. What the fuck are you talking about, woman? I don't even know you. I'm pregnant with your baby.
You know that question of would you move forward or backwards? Both. This fucking horror. Finally.
I accidentally broke the toilet.
Oh no, see I was lighting this thing up. It's just the bullets are a little small. Hey, if I belly flop onto the sexy Latina girl,
I think, maybe not.
it also happens
Well, here's one, here's one, here's one.
Is that a problem?
I think. Here's exit wounds. So I definitely wasn't missing. I maybe missed a couple.
After a long, hard day
Here,
at
stick
work-
this back up there.
My cigarette! Ah! Oh fuck! My cigarette!
I just put the tannerite in the like with nothing around it because it's gonna blow.
Should we take it all the way more back?
I feel like we should put it like right behind that tree.
Let's do it.
I mean, a little bit further than just behind it. We don't want shrapnel.
We're gonna put the Italian man on the toilet. He's gonna take the best shit of his life. Little does he know, everything's about to be interrupted.
This shit about to destroy the toilet.
Basic fucking Lee.
Where did you put that tannerite thing?
I'd say it's pretty visible if it's just sitting here.
Okay.
I mean, shoot, we can even.
Damn. We gotta give him a name.
Rosiero.
Laviro. You're about to get fucking blown up with Laviro.
Luigi. No, you can't be that racist.
Giovanni.
Boo-hoo, I lost my titties in the womb and I'm not bitching about it. Sir, are you in
Nathan.
What kind of dumbass position y'all want me in? Alright.
Oh!
Oh my
You fucking killed him!
god!
You fucking Giovanni, no! Oh!
It's not fighting!
What?
Alright, maybe it is.
That was it?
McChicken's still in there.
That was
You put a McChicken in there?
Yeah. Go with me to check out the
The
McChicken. The McChicken that's in the toilet.
No. It's hot.
My fucking husband.
He's fucking dead. He's dead. My fucking McChicken! Ah, it's fucking wet.
It's been a while since I've shot, so I'm
Nah, you took out Giovanni quick. Or Fernando, what the fuck do we call him?
Giovanni.
Giovanni? Yeah, he fucking, dude.
Luigi.
Luis.
You wanna empty out a load?
You wanna shoot?
Load or two. Oh, you wanna shoot some? No.
I don't think he cares, but I think
Yeah, I guess.
it's time for the big one. That last one was a bit lame, so big one comes in. Let's make it happen.
I was not ready for that.
Look.
Oh God, he's strapping Dylan down. Mike, if I can't sit on the damn thing when you shoot it, what's the point in me being here?
A little bit more, Mike!
Is that Lafayette?
Right here, we got Lafayette, baby! Today is her last day on Earth. And she's playing with the sand.
Oh, that's so cool.
She loves it. She shit. Look at the flowers. Let's go.
I'm gonna lose it if Roman gets fucking hit.
Roman, why the hell are you shooting like that?
You look like a white boy that's never touched a gun before. You ever played Call of Duty?
Like,
Turn your body a little bit.
fuck.
Put your
Fucking bug
left
went up
foot
my nose.
forward and your right foot back.
forward. You're about to do a switch tray flip, but you're just shooting.
It's on
Alright,
safety,
I'ma go.
Roman. It's on safety.
What? There you go.
Oh shit, he was right on it.
Holy
Safety, safety, safety.
Out of all of us, Roman was the one to do it.
Hell fucking yeah!
Lesson.
Praise up. What are you doing with fucking Giovanni?
It's a surprise, old chap.
Shit.
Now you know I love my man Luigi Fernando, whatever the fuck his name was. But like sometimes, you know, life gives you a shit hand and you die on the fucking toilet, and for some reason God just says, you know, it's just not enough. And so after being thrown around and puppeteered as some madman's plaything, what better way to send him out but through a happy little send-off I call
Hallelujah.
the thankful regret.
Hallelujah.
Bye!